guys, here we go. Kicking off the Thursday phase with Aerospace now in differently. Yeah, this is it's Rushmore Community Football Club over there. I'm right in the centre of the football club. I don't like football, I've just come here to watch the playing. Yes, I'll be here again for it's a really good place to watch this play. I'd highly recommend it. If you actually can't go into a farnborough before, I'd highly recommend here. It's a good place. Oh, here we go. The GE Aerospace SAAB 340. There we go. I think after this we've got an exciting act. The freight technology in London. Yeah, get a good view of the robotic one here. Right, this just hits two. Hold on, this is the camera. Oh, it's not improving. I don't want the background. Like, it's crowded here. I want to go and sit down here. Let's continue with the day. It's a bit disappointing, like the Alpha 7 SAAB effort I want to say today. I will tell you rifle. See. Thing is what I should say before. And last I say there, actually before here. I think we're going to get next to you now. We're coming over, here it comes. Aerospace is SAAB 340, flying right over. Here you go. And I'll get some better pics of thumbnails here. I'm so glad we're here. I was treeing a lot to win. That's because of the great views it offers. Over. He's obstructed. Here we go. Yeah, I like to get fresh. All sorts. Like, it's a really good sport. Like, I highly recommend. See if my first good. When I get it, but this is right. Except like you get no passes on like no passing turns on like farther. As you can see here, it's coming into our next up. We've got the base technologies. Once it does, it might be a touch. Hey, that's a good Airshow. Good for you. Better use the previous day. Very good viewing shot. Right, it's used for 9.5. The only thing that can improve on it is tree obstruction. Here it comes. Alright. This is exactly good. What a massively good sport. It's fine to say forget about a house. This is next level if one hold on, let me just fix the camera. There we go. I hate when it goes blurry. That's what we're going to display. The camera gets wrong. Can't think. It's actually godly, yeah. See, it's every 2 years, but it's our local Airshow. Here it comes. So yeah, I'm just going to no.